The monowheel, a fascinating motorcycle design from the late 19th century, captivated with its striking appearance, yet presented significant stability and control challenges for riders. Transitioning into the early 20th century, the introduction of the four-car, which featured a front passenger seat, raised safety concerns during collisions while adversely affecting the vehicle's balance. During the 1960s, high handlebars, known as AP hangers, gained popularity, contributing to a unique motorcycle aesthetic, yet they also sparked concerns regarding rider control and ergonomics. Consequently, the high handlebars induced considerable fatigue in riders' arms, diminishing their comfort and reaction times on long rides, potentially leading to perilous situations. Moreover, motorcycles with engines mounted in the front wheel presented significant hazards due to stability issues, complicating steering and heightening the risk of tipping over. While acetylene headlights represented an innovative advancement of their era, they also posed serious fire hazards due to open flames and flammable gas, raising safety concerns for motorcyclists. The Kickstarter mechanism, once a common feature in motorcycles, posed various dangers such as kickback risk, resulting in rider injuries. This led to a gradual shift towards safer electric starters. In the early days, many motorcycles lacked seats, rendering riding uncomfortable and perilous. The introduction of seats in the 1920s significantly enhanced rider comfort and safety. As motorcycle design evolved, there was a clear emphasis on rider comfort and stability, contributing to the decline of seatless models and reducing fatigue and accident risks during extended rides. The advent of propeller-driven motorcycles in the early 1900s aimed at achieving higher speeds by minimizing friction, yet they introduced severe safety hazards due to exposed propellers. Furthermore, the introduction of buddy seats in the mid-20th century enhanced the social aspect of motorcycle rides, although this innovation raised safety concerns due to inadequate support for passengers. Innovative experiments, such as attaching skis to motorcycles in the 1920s, sought to improve performance in snowy conditions but ultimately resulted in poor control and persistent safety issues. Additionally, early motorcycle skis lacked the grip provided by modern snowmobiles, making them susceptible to skidding and loss of control, thus escalating the likelihood of accidents. The transition from skinny wheels to wider tires in the 1950s and 60s significantly bolstered motorcycle safety and performance, effectively addressing the stability issues associated with earlier designs. Open chain drives, prevalent in early motorcycles, posed considerable risks due to their exposed nature, prompting a shift towards safer enclosed chain systems by the mid-20th century. Additionally, the hand-shifted gear system compelled riders to remove one hand from the handlebars, thus compromising control, a particularly dangerous scenario at high speeds. The gradual shift from hand-shifted gears to foot-operated systems not only enhanced rider comfort, but also improved safety, becoming widely adopted by manufacturers during the 1950s. Foot-operated gear shifts allowed riders to maintain both hands on the handlebars while changing gears, a significant improvement that effectively reduced the risk of accidents on rough terrain.